Hira Chand from London. Please welcome her in our midst. She has been living in Mumbai for 2 years. Is that right? 2 years. She's a multilingual. She speaks Dutch, German, French, some Russian, and now some Urdu. Now that she's in India, she started learning Urdu under the mentorship of Dr. Farooque Rehman sahab, and I can assure you, you will be an expert before you realize. She is fascinated by Indian culture and by Indian people. She has immersed herself in life in Mumbai by actively volunteering, by teaching in a local school and teaching blind children. Commendable. Well done. I request Ariba Moise to come on stage and present a token of appreciation to Helen.
And sorry that I'm speaking English and not Urdu tonight. I am so incredibly humbled that Dr. Farooque has invited me as a guest of honor to this wonderful event tonight. The reason I'm particularly honored is that I am by far the least proficient person in Urdu in this room tonight. However, I feel that Dr. Farooque, being the patient and encouraging teacher that he always is showing me he is showing faith in me as one of his humble students to take on the journey of learning Urdu. And I know that he will have touched each and every one of the people in this room in a very special way. In his constant quest for teaching and promoting the use of Urdu language, and with his knowledge and ability as a poet to write the most beautiful ghazals. So thank you, Dr. Farooque, from the bottom of my heart for this kind invitation and the honor, and for everything that you do for this entire community. And thank you to the wonderful poets for sharing their heartfelt poetry with us tonight. And Mr. Kuldeep Singh, chief guest, what an honor to meet him tonight, even though unfortunately he's already left. An integral part of Dr. Farooque's lessons with me entail learning a few lines from a song. And even though he knows that I cannot sing to save my life, he still makes me sing. And so I wish to say that the following lines have been etched into my memory, and please excuse the fact that I can't actually sing. Tumko dekha to ye khayal aya, zindagi ko tumga na saya. Thank you so much. No, what's the word? Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
So it's very funny that in India, summer is the name of a boy. Yeah? And there's another meaning for the word summer in Urdu, that is fruit. Yes? So we welcome Summer in our program. She is a French Moroccan. I believe you're a multilingual. You speak French, English, and Arabic. Arabic, great. From psychology and criminology, she shifted to storytelling. Something that's always been in her DNA, somewhere embedded. So India got best out of you, right? Okay. Now she writes original stories across genres, aiming to connect with all audiences. Welcome you. Thank you. We now invite Ayan to come on stage and present a memento to Summer.
Assalamu alaikum, namaste. Where is it? So I'm truly honored to be here tonight amongst many talented and inspiring people. And when Dr. Farooque invited me, I felt like very immense, actually, joy and gratitude to join this vibrant gathering. My maternal languages are Arabic and French, and I learned English later on. So it's thanks to Dr. Farooque who introduced me to Urdu and teach me Urdu, and his pedagogical instructed way of teaching actually allowed me today to write few lines. I hope that you're gonna like it.
Yes, sure. Yes.
Yeah, and resonate with you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna shoot. अगर तुम मेरे महबूब से मिलो तो उससे कहना मैं क्यों दूर गई, वो अब तक ये समझ ही नहीं पाया क्यों अपनी जमीन अपने लोग छोड़ गए, वो ये भी ना समझ सका कभी क्यों उसकी दुनिया में रुक कर रह पाई। सबसे अजीब बात ये रही उससे दिल से निकाल के भी दिल में बसाया। जो भूल उसे दिया वो मुस्काई, उससे भूल जाने दिया जानबूझकर, शायद वो उससे ढूंढने लौट आई। अगर तुम मेरे महबूब से मिलो तो बस इतना कह देना वो भी सीख जाए, अगली मोहब्बत में दिमाग नहीं ईगो नहीं सिर्फ दिल से प्यार करना सीख जाए। Thank you so much. Thank you.